In this video, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut for any website on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Then what you need to do is just head over to the website that you want to create a shortcut of. So let's say, for example, we wanted to create a shortcut of Amazon on our desktop. So in order to do this, you need to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, and then from here, you just need to click on Create Shortcut, and then go ahead and type in a title for your shortcut. I'm just going to label this one Amazon and click on Create. Now you need to select where you want this shortcut saved to, so automatically it will just go over to your desktop. So now if I head over to my desktop on my computer, you can see now we have this shortcut for the Amazon website, and if I right click on this and select Run as Administrator, you can see it will take me directly over to the Amazon website, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create shortcuts to any website. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.